Welcome back to the Pure Silver Joy YouTube channel. Today, we'll be demonstrating how to make a trendy cutout ring at home using silver clay. If you're curious about silver clay jewelry making, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's get started. For this project, we'll be using 5 grams of silver clay. Knead the clay thoroughly to remove air bubbles and even out the moisture. Roll the silver clay into a ball using a pressing board. Next, shape it into a strip about 7 centimeters long. Then press it flat. Carefully place the clay onto a ceramic ring core wrapped with isolation paper and parchment paper, overlapping the ends. If needed, trim the extra clay diagonally using a craft knife. Join the ends with water, and smooth the seam with crafting tools. Next, use a craft knife to cut random openings on the surface of the ring. Then, with a crafting pen, add striped textures between the open spaces. Let it dry to a semi-dry stage. Use a sanding sponge to gently smooth the surface. And sandpaper to clean up any uneven edges around the cutouts. Check the seam for gaps, and if needed, fill them with a little more clay. Finally, brush away any silver powder. Once finished, your piece is ready for firing. Make sure it is completely dry before firing. You can use a mug warmer, hair dryer, or toaster oven to speed up the process. For this project, we used kiln firing at 800 degrees Celsius 1472 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. If you're using a gas stove, check out our gemstone ring tutorial for more firing instructions. After firing, use tools to remove the ring from the core, then brush away the white oxidized layer with a steel brush to reveal a clean silver surface. Finally, use a polishing stick and polishing cloth to make your ring shine. And just like that, you've created your very own trendy cutout ring. You can even wear it as a pendant if you like. If you'd like to try making your own silver clay jewelry, check out our Pure Silver Joy Etsy shop, where we've prepared beginner-friendly kits with all the basic tools you'll need. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss more tutorials from Pure Silver Joy Workshop. We'd also love to see your creations, or hear what projects you'd like us to share next. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!